Jessie here. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys our meals of the week. So all of the things that we ate for dinner for the last 4 days, the day after Christmas and the 3 days after that. So I want to be sharing more videos like this in the new year where I just show you guys what we're eating, give you guys some meal ideas, family dinner ideas. I love watching these videos where people literally just show their food. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so it is the day after Christmas and we wanted a super easy meal for tonight. So I put Robbie in charge of cooking. His favorite dish to make is by far spaghetti, and he makes the best spaghetti ever. I don't know what it is, what he does, something magical. If you guys are new to my channel, Robbie is my 17-year-old son. Well, not quite 17, he'll be 17 early January, but he likes to cook. He loves to cook pasta, and he made this one look real good today. So this is just a meat sauce. It's just ground beef. Sometimes he uses Italian sausage, sometimes we go meatless, but today it's just ground beef with a jarred pasta sauce that he spiced up a little bit with some extra seasonings, just regular old spaghetti. And then got this really great fresh Italian bread that I just sliced up and put some butter on, and that is dinner for tonight. So cannot wait to have this. Thank you, Robbie, for cooking. Bon appetit. Alright you guys, so you are looking at Friday night's dinner, and we're doing leftovers, mixing things up a little bit. We've got our leftover prime rib from our Christmas Eve dinner, but we switched up the sides to make things a little bit more interesting. We did some carrots. We just had a couple of cans of carrots up in the pantry that we wanted to use up, so we heated those up. And we made up some fried potatoes to go on the side. And that is our dinner for tonight. Using up what we have, cleaning out the pantry before we go and do our grocery shopping. But yeah, that's dinner for Friday night. Alright you guys, you are joining us Saturday night now for dinner. My husband just pulled this deliciousness off of our smoker outside. So we've got some chicken drumsticks here. And there's going to be plenty for leftovers probably for tomorrow. We also have some baked potatoes. Looks so good. I can't even tell you how good this smells. And then on the side we have just some corn straight from a can. Got butter and sour cream to serve with our baked potatoes. And my husband also put brownies out. I cannot wait to have those. I'm going to show you guys those when they come off the grill. But those are going to be delicious. So that is our dinner for Saturday night. Alright you guys, so it is Sunday night now, and some families have nice, fancy, like sit-down dinners that are home-cooked on Sunday nights, but not me, not us. I sent my husband to the store for some corn dogs, because that's just the kind of girl that I am. I could totally have blamed this on my kids and said that they wanted it, but it was definitely my idea. So we're going to have some corn dogs and some Jwhackers french fries. These are going to both go into the air fryer tonight for dinner. And it looks like he was also tempted by some sweets. So we got some sweets here as well. This is a vanilla loaf cake for 71 cents. Nice score. And some sweet potato pie. Should have known he wouldn't come back without something a little extra. So that is our dinner for tonight. I'll show you guys once it is all cooked up. But yeah, definitely pretty basic here. And I wouldn't have it any other way. I am super excited about this. Alright you guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed seeing what we ate for the last few days. If you like this video and you want to see more content like this, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe so that you never miss a video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!